Hello everyone, I'm Captain Gobble, and I'm back again with my 300ZX and all the progress that I haven't made on it yet. I worked a little bit off camera making these templates for the floorboards. So I have the driver side here, you can see driver, and the passenger here. The passenger was the first one that I made, and then I just kind of flipped it over to make it the same for the driver's side, which I may just use the driver's side template as my de facto template and just cut this weird section off that I don't need on the passenger side. But I mean, the template still needs a little bit of work. Like this section right here, I could actually move it over an inch further, and that's probably about where it's actually supposed to be. But other than that, I haven't made any progress, which, oh well. So I guess I'll start taking out that driver's seat and testing how this fits. There we go. Oh, that was a lot of movement. I don't know why this one's so much harder. Here we go. Oh man, this one got cross-threaded. Whoops. Okay, there we go. So all of these, now we should be able to lift the seat out and then unplug the power source. Oh, before I forget, I'm going to take the T-top out, so that way I can lift the seat all the way up. Then we can remove the seat. Okay. There we go. Oh, this is such a heavy seat. Oh, heat. Alright, so we got the seat removed. Now we're all clear to look at how horrible this is. Oh man, it's gotten worse since I've last seen it. I need more metal. Oh no. Anyway, I guess I'll set this up to where we can test fit the driver's side template. Alright, so should all lay down something like this, with this end going right up here as far as it can. This one should. So yeah, it definitely could use some work. I mean, this is pretty good. It doesn't have to be as long up here. Actually, yeah, it does. Man, this side needs a whole lot more work. I forgot. This sucks. I guess what I could do is I could, I don't know. I'm kind of afraid that by doing my method of removing the sound deadening material that I did yesterday will reduce my structural rigidity that I have left in the floor. Why did I get into this car? Why did I buy this thing? Oh no. You know, I forgot how big of a mess this thing is. Oh. So after a little bit of existential dread, like what did I get myself into, I think I've realized how I need to do this. So the best course of this would be to, okay, yeah. Maybe it's not as drastic of a down that I'm supposed to have. I mean, it's still a good idea to kind of show that it has a curve right there. Okay, so I need to take out a little bit right here. Yeah, we'll have to start the drop about right here. And I'll get it to the right spot there, for it to be in the right spot over here. We'll want to start to drop over a little bit further, I think, or maybe have more metal in for the drop. Yeah, I think that's the issue, is there needs to be bit more metal out this way for that to work. Is I'll redo this one, or yeah, I'll redo this driver's side one once more. Help get a better idea of what I need to do exactly. I think another issue that I'm having is that this actually doesn't have to go down as, well, yeah, maybe it does have to go down as deep as that. Ugh. Not gonna lie, I'm friggin' panicking because it's like, I don't know what to do because I've never done this before. Anyway, I'll catch you all up when I figure something out. Alright, so we're back to the drawing board pretty much. I have all my, you know, cardboard aided design stuff sitting right here. So I guess I'll go ahead and redraw the new design onto the new paper just so we can have a fresh sheet to work with. Alright, so it's gonna be a little bit harder to see, but you can see everything. Oh, hold on. You can kind of see all the marks that I did. So I'll just go ahead and start cutting all these out. This one I'm actually going to cut out a little bit larger just so the seat stud actually fits through that a whole lot better. Everything else I'm going to try to cut pretty close to where it's supposed to be. Okay, so I got this mostly complete. The only thing I think I'm gonna have to do is make this extend out a little bit further this way, but I'll just go ahead and cut this out right here for the rear subframe connection, and then we can go test fit it after I get the passenger side done, which the passenger side is going to be the exact same as the driver's side, except I won't have this part back here. Alright, so I got everything cut out. You can see that both of them actually fit into each other very well, so that means they should be pretty close to where we want them. I guess all that's left is to take them out to the vehicle and test fit them. Okay, now that we're back out here, let's go ahead and start fitting this together, seeing how it all goes. Oh wow, that's immediately a much better fit. So there's definitely still some work to do. Like the, here, let me go get my pencil real quick. Alright, so looks like we just need to have some more cut out right there. And then this side will actually fit really well, it looks like. Yeah, there's really nothing I see that'd be an issue for this section. Everything should kind of flow together. The only thing I see is we'll have to take some out right there to kind of mold it. Well, probably want to go a little bit further like that. That should get the mold pretty good where it kind of has this weird hump. And other than that, I mean, that's really all we need to do for the driver's side to get it to actually fit right. Yeah, I was worried I would have to do more cardboard aided design, but you know, whatever. Not a big deal. Okay, we're over at the passenger side, so I guess we just need to kind of lay it down, see how everything fits. So immediately I can tell that the seat stud fits way better than on the driver's side. Yeah, this is actually looking really good. I may not commit just yet before I start cutting the metal. I'm gonna see what someone else thinks, someone that has a bit more metalworking experience than I do, but I mean, well, maybe we'll go ahead and start like trying to do it ourselves. Alright, so we're back this Friday morning. I already got the template kind of trimmed in a spot where I know it needs to be not have as much metal because we need more up here and right here. It may not actually hurt to scoot it over this way just a little bit more, about an inch or so. And I know we'll have to go a little bit further right here. So I'll try to, well, not sure how I can really do that with the tape down right now, but that's besides the point. I'll just go ahead and get the rest of this marked. All right, so I got everything marked up and ready to start cutting. So I guess I'll get one of my C-clamps to clamp it down to get my thing, so I can cut this section out and then this section. I don't know what I'm gonna do for this. I may have to just drill it out right there with a stepper bit. This one, I should be able to drill each corner and then kind of get in there with my sheet metal nibbler. All right, so I know this is probably a little bit awkward of a spot to do it, but this is the best way I could figure to do it. So I'll just start going with my sheet metal nibbler and just trying to stay on this side of it, so that way I can trim down if necessary. Okay, I go. Ow, ooh, fuck. One of those hot pieces hit my hand and damn, that hurt. Jeez. Okay, let me go get my tin snips to finish this off. Oh. Well, that works too, just breaking it off. So we should be pretty good to start getting this side, so let's go. There we go. So all that should be left is to try to bend these and this, just so we can test fit it to make sure everything sort of lines up. All right, so what I'm thinking what we want to do to be able to bend this is I'll set it down like this. We'll be bending on our line, and that way I can just go and bend it at a 90, just like that. So this is actually pretty good. So what we'll do is just go ahead and set everything up. Not bending exactly how I would have wanted, but whatever. Oh, let me get a hammer, try to hammer that. Unfortunately, I don't have a metal brake. Wish I did. It'd make this so much easier. Oh, looks to be pretty good actually. Let's loosen this up and see how we did along our line. So that actually looks pretty decent, if I do say so myself. Yeah, that's actually about on the line that we wanted. Could have been a little bit cleaner, but you know, whatever. So now we need to line it up along this side and then bend it down like this, which might be a little bit easier said than done. I'm trying to think, how do we want to do this? What it may end up being, what we may have to end up doing. Oop. Just wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Okay. Oh, not like that. Oh no. No, 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 no. Okay. We may have to do something like this, where we clamp this side and we try to clamp this side. All right, so this is the only idea that I really had that I thought would work. So I took a scrap 2x4 that I had laying around, brought it up to my deck, and I have the metal sandwiched between the deck railing and the scrap 2x4. So now I'll just try to bend this up and hopefully this works. Oh, okay. Just need to put some more force into it. God, okay. That's all I needed to do is just force it a bit further. So I think we're done. Finally got it bent, you know, halfway decent. Let's get a better close up. All right, so this is what we have so far. Oh, and now I'm realizing that I should have put my creases right here before I bent this. Well, fuck. All right, so I've yet to test fit the piece of metal. So here we go. This is honestly nerve-wracking for me because I don't know how everything's gonna line up. Honestly, it's lining up about how I expected it to. Not very well. So yeah, for one, we have to open it up right here for this weird section. Two, it's not really going to sit fully where I want it. I just want to see like how everything lines up in terms of where I need to cut. So I need to actually cut this a little bit further this way, it looks like, up toward... Oh, this is so much work. Okay, so I just had the biggest like realization that I'm completely overthinking how to do this. All I really have to do is just replace it in sections. So like only worry about here to here first, then worry about here to here, then, you know, worry about this part right here, then worry about like going down right here, then worry about like this and this. I need to do it in small sections. I just realized that. Like, it just pinged in my brain that I am drastically overthinking all of this. But I don't know why. I was thinking like, no, I have to do it in one big section, just replace all the metal. No, it's so much easier and so much simpler for someone who's never done anything like this to do it in small sections. Anyway, this has been my end of the video interjection on how I'm going to proceed from here. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you like the video, please leave a like. Consider subscribing to the channel if you're not already subscribed. All you have to do is hit that big red subscribe button down below. And anyways, I hope you all enjoyed.